Hello guys, good day to all. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our weather analysis. This is our weekend edition brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Naga College Foundation, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands Sustainable with You program. If you're willing to visit their all about this program, just click on the link up here. Or if you're tuning via Facebook video, just go to the description shown above this video for more details. Okay, and also one of the premier hotels in Bicol region, Avenue Plaza Hotel, the local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman Gabi Bordado of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur. So let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat. This is valid until today, Saturday. We have another surge of the northeast monsoon, and most likely this will be one of the last that will affect the northern portions of our country, and it's blowing across extreme northern Luzon, including Cagayan, and also the rest of Cagayan Valley, and it's expected to affect the eastern sections of central Luzon as well. And by tomorrow and Monday, it will also bring some windy conditions across the Bicol region and portions of Visayas. Meanwhile, some light northeasterly wind flow will also affect the areas of Mindanao, which will expected to bring some cloudy conditions with some rain showers or possible thunderstorms. And outside of PAR, we don't have any tropical cyclone or LPA developing as of this time, and it's all clear throughout the weekend. And mostly this type of monsoon as we near the spring equinox, which will begin March 21, 22. Springtime is upon us, especially here in the northern hemisphere. So the northeast monsoon is nearing the end of it. Okay, so let's enjoy the last blow of these monsoonal winds that brings some cooler temperatures across the northern portions of Luzon. But from Bicol region downwards, we are now experiencing some dry and hot conditions, with heat index reaching a high of 38 to 42 degrees Celsius, and temperature ranges from 28 to 32 degrees Celsius. So we are now approaching the hot dry season, which is set to begin anytime next week or the last week of March. So far, that's the latest from our GovSat. And if we take a look at the fast animation, there's nothing to show to you here. Here's some near equatorial trough near the equator, some cloudiness with thunderstorms. And if we take a look at the zoom in satellite animation from windy.com, this cloudiness over the Luzon area, including Metro Manila, is brought about by the surge of the northeast monsoon. So there will be some cloudy conditions and fresher breeze. And some showers will also be expected across the eastern seaboards of central and northern Luzon, while Bicol region remains hot but starting to become windy. By tomorrow, there will be some cloudiness that could bring some light showers, drizzles, and cloudy conditions across the Bicol region as well. While here over the areas of Visayas, some cloudiness with showers will also be expected because of the northeasterly wind flow, including northern and eastern Mindanao, as well as the Zamboanga Peninsula. So this is just one of the last effects of the northeast monsoon, as we are still reeling the effects of the El Nino phenomenon. Okay, although by next month it is expected to weaken rapidly, but the effects will continue to be felt through May into the month of June. Okay, coinciding with the start of the rainy season. Okay, so here's the wind, pressure, and rain forecast from the European model, courtesy of windy.com. So today we are now experiencing some windy conditions brought about by the northeast monsoon. Winds of 30 to 55 kph will be expected here. And by tomorrow afternoon, it will move down across southern Tagalog provinces, Metro Manila, Bicol region, and some portions of the Visayas. But it will start to weaken on Monday, where only the northeasterly wind flow will replace the northeast monsoon, bringing some light winds from the northeast, shifting now from the east. And on Tuesday, the winds will abruptly die, with only some light winds from the east across the eastern sections of Bicol, Visayas, and Mindanao, while another surge of the northeast monsoon will affect Batanes and Mabuhay Cubao Islands beginning Tuesday, and it will last until Wednesday as it digs down, particularly the northern coastline of these areas. So winds here will reach up to 65 kph, and on Thursday, March 14, it will rapidly weaken. Okay, just light northeasterly and easterly winds will be expected all throughout the country on Thursday, March 14. And the rainfall accumulation forecast, most of the rain showers are concentrated across the eastern seaboards of northern and central Luzon, including by tomorrow the Bicol region. So there will be some showers brought about by the northeast monsoon, and there's a possibility that it will just be cloudy conditions together with some strong breeze. So it will be a relief, okay, after a few days of high temperatures across our region. And there will be also some chances of showers over eastern Leyte and smaller portions of northern Mindanao, including Zamboanga Peninsula. But so far, the rain effects of the northeast monsoon are just here across the eastern sections of Luzon. And for the wave forecast from the European model right now, Saturday, we are experiencing some wave heights of 1.8, okay, 1.5 to 1.8 across the eastern seaboards of Bicol region, Visayas, and eastern Mindanao. But over the eastern seaboards of northern and central Luzon, wave heights are dramatically increasing up to 3 meters, becoming rough seas along the West Philippine Sea, west of Ilocos provinces, reaching heights of up to 4 meters. Okay. The rest of the West Philippine Sea, including Calayan Island Group, Spratlys, will remain light. Okay, light waves, 1 to 1.5 meters, as well as the inland waters of the Philippine Islands, Sulu Archipelago, areas of the Visayan Sea, Bohol Sea, Sibuyan Sea, Rigay Gulf will have wave heights of calm conditions up to 1.5 meters. Okay, so that's the forecast for today, and by tomorrow, Sunday, the wave heights over the eastern sections of the Bicol region and eastern Visayas will dramatically increase up to maybe 3 meters. And while over the West Philippine Sea, it will expand to the west of Mindoro up to wave heights of 2.5 meters as well. And on Monday, it will start to move farther south. Wave heights of around 2.5 to 2.8 meters will be expected from the eastern seaboards of the Bicol region up to the eastern seaboards of eastern Mindanao, while the rest will remain light waves of around 0.5 to 1.5 meters. So that will be on Monday. So the fishing activities over the inland waters of the Philippine Islands and the southern portions of the West Philippine Sea will remain good. And it's nice to have some fishing activities as well as some travel. But over the eastern sections of Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, it will be moderate to rough from 1.8 to around 2.8 meters in wave height. Okay, and before we leave you, here's the latest Global Tropics Hazards Outlook by the Climate Prediction Center, issued last Wednesday. This is valid for the next 2 to 3 weeks, with the third week with very high uncertainty. Now, let's begin with week 2, valid March 13 to March 19. The Philippine Islands, particularly from Bicol region down to Mimaropa, Visayas, and Mindanao, will remain more than 65% of below average rainfall probability, while over the northern areas of Australia, there will be a very high chances of a tropical cyclone formation since they are still within the cyclone season between November to April of this year. And on week 3, which is highly uncertain, very low probability, the Philippine Islands will remain more than 50% of below average rainfall, particularly of the Visayas, Mimaropa, and Mindanao area, while the rest will experiencing also some dry conditions because of the El Nino phenomenon that will be valid March 20 to March 26 or during the third week of this forecast. Okay, so far so good. It's really getting hotter here in the Philippine Islands, so don't forget to drink lots of fluids, lots of water, and avoid going out directly under the sun because of probability of some skin cancers, okay, sunburns. So please take all necessary precautions. And we end now our update, and we will be back early next week from Typhoon 2000. This is Mike Padua saying happy weekend to all. Enjoy the weekend. Stay safe always. And thank you so much for watching our channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Just click on the subscription button at the lower right corner of this video. As well as if you're watching via Facebook video, just follow our Facebook channel, Mike, Mr. Typhoon Padua. Again, thank you and God bless to all.